Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video, I'm going to talk about difference between session.get and session.load. A typical interview question. Session.load, it will always return a proxy without hitting the database. It will not hit the database at all. In Hibernate, proxy is an object with a given identifier value. Its properties are not initialized yet. It just looks like a temporary fake object. Say for example, your model class is a customer, so you will be getting a proxy class, okay, like this, created by the Hibernate. If no raw found, it will throw an exception, object not found exception. So if you call like this session.load, you will be getting a user proxy. The load method never returns null. The get method returns null if the object cannot be found. The load method may return a proxy instead of the real persistent instance. A proxy is a placeholder that triggers the loading of the real object when it's accessed for the first time. So on demand, it will hit the database, okay, not when you just call the load. It will not create. Whenever you say user.getName, then it will hit the database. When to use load? If you are certain, if you are sure the persistent object exists in the database and non-existent would be considered as an error, then you can use load. Load is a good option. What about get? Session.get, it will always hit the database and return the real object, an object that represents the database row, not a proxy, okay. So if no row found, it returns null, as simple as that. So whenever you call session.get, it's going to hit the database. If the row exists, it will give you the object, otherwise it's going to return the null. These are the points related to session.load and session.get. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.